All right, what we have here is the DUCO round bus square HD/MD cleaner valve series 350, mounted with a cylinder on it, ready to go. And this is a valve that's only made round by square. The top side flange is round. The outlet, as you can see, is a square flange. And the valve is very open at the bottom. And the purpose for the opening is so that we have no cavity in the valve for the trash, the staples, the wire, the glass, the sand, and so forth, to build up in the valve when you close it, especially so when the gate closes, it does not keep packing the material down in the bottom of the valve like many of our competitors. All right, as I was going through the valve, I wanted to show you the three main components that make this valve perform the way it does so successfully in the HD and MD cleaner applications. This one in particular, where you have a round by square reject chamber, is the fact that we have a the gate is heat treated and hardened to a Rockwell of about 50, and it is chrome plated, which helps the wear on the packing reduce, because it reduces the friction that the gate has when it passes through the packing, which is sometimes every minute, every 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and so these valves cycle daily, full time, okay? And then in order to reduce the wear or increase the length of time the valve will last in these tough applications, the gate is hardened, as I said. The cartridge, which is this piece right here, this is what we call the seat cartridge, which is serrated, which helps us shear the material, okay? As you can see, the serrations, they work like a serrated knife, for instance. And then the backup guide is this piece right here that is machined, and it is also 420 stainless steel, heat treated and hardened. When we originally manufactured this valve, the round by square, we did not have a guide ring in the back of the gate, and the gate itself is the part that supported the valve. All right, the body, which is made of 317 stainless, is what actually supported the gate. These valves, keep in mind, are always in a horizontal position. You have a top valve and a bottom valve and a reject chamber in between. So the gate was always riding on the 317 stainless steel. And as it did that, that was the part of the valve that usually wore out first. And as you wore the body half at the bottom, you started getting some of the contaminants, the wire, the glass, the staples, in between the gate and the body half, and the valve would fail. It would either plug up completely or it would be jumping and so forth. So Mr. Tursick, when he got the valves back for repairs, discovered that when he repaired them, he started putting in this hardened guide ring behind the gate. So eventually we decided to do this from the beginning, and all of our valves now are equipped with a hardened guide ring. So to recap, you have the seat cartridge, which is heat treated and hardened. You have the gate, which is heat treated and hardened, 400 stainless steel. And the guide and the cartridge are 420 heat treated and hardened stainless steel. And from our success in the field, this valve has proven to be the best, I think we could say honestly, the best scavenger, or not scavenger, but HD and MD cleaner valve on the market, available in 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch sizes.